let's unbox some stuff. I have shipments that I have been waiting to unbox, so why not do it now? It's long enough that I don't remember what I got, so that's my favorite way to unbox things. And the older I get, the shorter that time span needs to be. In fact, I could have ordered these yesterday. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, lots of Louis. Always fun. Um, I actually sold a lot of my Louis this week at all of the holiday shows, and I'm running some sales. If you make an appointment in the showroom, which you can also do virtually, you just kind of have to make an appointment. And this is one of the styles I actually sold, and this will be beautiful when it's done. It needs a zipper replacement because that's not gonna cut it. But otherwise, she's got a lot of nice qualities. I mean, look at that ass. Not what people say about bags. Look at the ass on that bag. All right, next. Next, Louis. Oh, this is the smaller. Okay, so I love this. I love this shape. It just needs a little reshaping. I also like showing you guys, like, I'm gonna have to show you how they turn out, but this will be a fabulous crossbody. Let's see. The zipper works. Needs to be cleaned up. But that will be a hot item. The little mini pouch, which I imagine the inside is going to need. Yep. So I'm going to strip the inside out, and she will be beautiful again. One more. Oh, I don't even know if I need to do the inside, but we've got a lot to work with here because these will all be super cute little pouches and crossbody bags. So I kind of can't wait to work on them.